So we're going to take something very similar to this pair only. Then this one is stop loss at 25 pips. Okay, we set it at 250, so that means 25. And then the take profit is at 5. And now our trigger in that example is at 40, so 4. And then the break even is set at 10 for 1 pip. So we can save this like that, and we have that setting there. We can have all kinds of different settings. Let's say that we go for this one, okay, or this, let's go with this one. A stop loss of 30 and take profit of 5, trigger at 4, break even at 1. So if we click on this, if we click on this and say open, you'll have the 350 for 5, 40, and 10. And you could go back and forth on the different settings depending on the time of the day or what you're doing, scalping or other. So let's say that we are happy with this. We say OK. So you should see by now the break-even little mention here with a smiley face. Okay. Now, at the first initial move, it will ask you starting break-even program for Euro USD orders, because we set it to only for Euro USD. So you say yes to this, and now you're ready to scalp the market with this. Okay, so let's imagine it's now pushing a little bit up, and please do not judge me on my trading this morning. We are going to try to show you what's going to happen when you trigger this. So you would do like any other day trading, and you would say new order. Okay, and then you set your volume. So just for today's sake, we'll take a position of, let's say, 0.1 lot. Okay, it's small lot, but okay. So now we're reaching some kind of a high here. Let's go and see first what are the trend on the different time frame. Okay, so we are reaching very close to a little micro resistance. It's moving up, pushing high, and so I think we could try to a retracement with this. So let's go for sell, and let's observe what's going to happen next. Okay, so let's bring that down. What it did, it placed the stop loss on our sell 30 pips away, and it placed the take profit 5 pips away, and now we only need to let it. Okay, so we'll go into the 1 minute and we'll bring it closer for us, bigger, so you can see. Okay, now if we're gonna be reaching, look at the stop loss is now back because we reached 4. The line here is 4, so the stop loss is brought back to 1, and now we're going to take our 5 pips of profit. Just like that, you scalped. It was fast moving, and now you took your 5 pips and you can go do something else or look for another trade. So for scalping, this little tool, the break-even, is very fast, very effective. And then you can also use it on different currencies and drag it with different settings on different currency, depending on how you set that. Let me show you again, just one last time. If you go Expert Advisor Properties, If you set it to true here, you're only going to be affecting orders open on Euro USD. So whatever you do on other currency will not be affected. If you set it to false, it will be on all open orders. So it's like if you're scalping the same settings on different pairs and looking for a setting on another pair, and you don't want to bother with the settings. You want everyone to be the same. So you put it to one chart and will be affecting all open orders. Okay, so that's how you use this true or false setting. So be careful. You need to practice a lot with this, be very fluent before you go live. Okay, so ask for your free version of that break-even for a demo, or ask for your free version of this break-even if you have a live account through Molecule 6 as your introducing agent. Or just buy it if you already have an account somewhere else and you're not using Molecule 6 or as introducing agent or Dukascopy, and we'll be happy to sell you a version for your live account. But first, ask for a trial and try a demo and see how useful this tool can be for you. Thank you for listening and have a good day.